Today we're going to be heading out to Florida Flywheelers for the tractor show. It's a lot of fun. There's a ton of vendors, and I'm going to take you guys along with me while we ride on the tractor. This is going to be a lot of fun. We are going to rent a golf cart, and my wife is going to ride on that with my brother and sister-in-law, and then I'm going to be riding on the tractor and talking to people. So I hope you guys stick along to the end of the video and check out all the cool things we're going to see. Perfect. Thank you.
Justin does what? Dude, can I get a picture?
Hi.
Hey.
There you go.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Oh, here, we got your change.
Oh, yeah, my change.
All right, there's your change. There you go. All right,
Thank you,
man. Yes, sir.
See you. Hold on, he's getting a picture. Thanks, man. Thank you. Check out this awesome welding rig. This is so cool. Got a crane on it and everything. The Stinger. Here you get some pads.
Did you see the baby pig?
Yeah, where was that?
It was down one of these roads.
I didn't see it.
He's for sale.
Is he?
I want him.
Let's get him. The dogs will probably try to eat him. Thank you. We have some old Alice chambers. Looks like this one's from 1968. A Simplicity 210. Really cool. Roped up puppies.
How much gas you got left?
I got plenty actually. I was kind of nervous when the first part of it, the neck went down, but I think I was on uneven like the ground when I actually first looked at it. So up here in the village, they have a steam train that belt drives a sawmill, which is pretty cool. So it's not running right now, but they cut logs into planks, which is pretty sweet. It's fun to watch. An actual old steam engine. When we're ready to have lunch, we pull over under a tree and everybody stops and eats. Or if you didn't bring your own lunch, you could stop by the country kitchen and get a pulled pork sandwich and some other food. Perfect day out. It's like 65 degrees. What'd you get, dude?
Pulled pork, my guy. Pulled pork. I forgot to get hot sauce though. So I'm eating this meat raw.
Yaga, bacon horseradish.
Make sure they're not the hot and spicy.
No, I didn't try the hot and
It's on
spicy.
raw.
I did. Oh, maybe it is the hot and spicy.
Wraps up another awesome event here at Flywheelers. It was a great time and rode around all day. I avoided buying anything. My wife got a few things, but we had a blast. So the next one coming up is February 2026. So if you guys are interested, then come check this place out. It's in Fort Meade, Florida. Thank you everybody for watching, and remember to get even smarter, see more of my videos.